Hi folks, you have reached George and Jackie's channel again. And as you know, we like to do quick and easy recipes. Well, I do at least. Today, we're making pickles. Yes, we're making pickles. We're also going to be making some pickled red onions. Yummy. There's those and there's those. Like I said, we do quick and easy recipes around here, so I have prepared most of this already. Okay, we have our pickling solution here. I did 6 cups of water, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 4 tablespoons of Himalayan sea salt, which we buy in bulk, and there are, I believe, 6 tablespoons of honey in there. Most people use sugar, but we don't use sugar in this house, so we're using honey. I brought it all to a boil, made sure that the salt was dissolved in the solution. Everything's really nice, and I've let it cool off because we are making what is called refrigerator pickles. Yes, you can make pickles in your refrigerator. Okay? I used to despise pickles. Now I like them. I still will look at you strangely if you put them on a roast beef sandwich, though. It just shouldn't be. Okay. You can use any kind of cucumber that you like. You can use the big long ones that you buy at the grocery stores for your salads and such, or you can buy what we bought this time, which are called pickling cucumbers. Okay? Now, as you can tell, I have skinned them. My wife does not like them with the skins on, and we want to have a happy wife, so we've skinned them. Okay? Then we chopped them up, and we've packed them in here, and we've packed them in there tight. That way, when we put the pickling solution in there, they won't float to the top. You don't want them uncovered. You want the pickling solution over the top of them. Now, into each jar, I have put 1 teaspoon of pickling spices. You can go to your store and buy all of the separate spices that are in here and mix them up the way you like, but it'll be a lot more expensive if you do it the way we do it. We go down to our neighborhood Winco store, and they have a bulk section there. They have pickling spices there. You can buy an ounce, you can buy a pound, you can buy as much or as little as you want. It's a lot cheaper than buying them all separately. Okay? As you can see in this jar, we also have a couple of cloves of garlic. Garlic is wonderful. Okay, so each one of these jars is set up this way. We have 7 jars of cucumbers. We have 2 jars of red onions. Okay? Now, you should use an appropriate jar, something that can seal at the top. Okay? We're using ball canning jars with the proper tops on them that will seal. Now, we're not going to be doing a water bath because, like I said, these are refrigerator pickles. You don't have to boil them. Okay? So, our jars are set up with our cucumbers, our spices, our garlic, our onions, and we are ready to go. So we're going to give this solution one more stir. Make sure everything is in there, nice and yummies. Then we're we're going to pour the solution into the jars so that we're covering the top of what's in the jar. So we're going to put this right here. We're going to use our ladle. And yes, you can see that I'm spilling because I'm using a ladle. And I'm still spilling, but that's okay. So you spill a little bit. It's not going to hurt anything. It's got vinegar in it. Vinegar's great for cleaning things. We're going to use up the rest of this. Ta-da! We've used it all. There we go. Okay. Then you want to wipe off the tops of the jars. You don't want any liquid underneath that seal on the top, or it will not seal correctly. Now this solution here, I told you I let it cool off. It is just lukewarm now. That way, when we're done here, we can put these right into the fridge. And there you have it, folks. There's your cucumbers, your red onions, ready to go into the refrigerator. They'll be ready in 24 to 48 hours. Of course, the longer you let them sit in there, the better they will be. Reach in there every day or so, give them a little shake. Mix up your solution. Make sure everything gets in there nice and good. I've got those cucumbers packed in there pretty tight. So are the onions, but the cucumbers are in there real tight. So there we go, folks. That's how easy it is to make your pickles at home. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe. Please leave some comments down here. Ask some questions if you want. I'll read them all. I'll answer them. Let me know what you want to know about doing refrigerator pickles at home. Thank you all. Bye-bye.